Beautiful queens, your natural hair is your crown. And today, we're exploring versatile, stunning hairstyles you can wear anywhere. Let's start simple, the high puff. Quick, easy, and perfect for everyday confidence. Next, sleek cornrows, a protective style that's neat, stylish, and long-lasting. Now let's switch it up with a twist out. Soft, defined curls that give volume and beauty. For an elegant vibe, try a low bun. Perfect for work, church, or special occasions. Feeling bold? Go for a braided updo. Classy, powerful, and guaranteed to turn heads. And don't forget the half-up, half-down style, the perfect mix of casual and glam. Natural hair is versatile, beautiful, and uniquely you. Which style are you trying first? Comment below. And if you love natural hair inspiration like this, subscribe and join the Kasha Naturals family for more beauty, growth, and glow-up tips.
Be not dismayed, whatever betide, God will take care of you. Beneath His wings of love abide, God will take care of you. God will take care of you through every day or all the way. He will take care of you. God will take care of you. Through days of toil when heart doth fail, God will take care of you. When dangers fierce your path assail, God will take care of you. God will take care of you through every day or all the way. He will take care of you. God will take care of you. No matter what may be the test, God will take care of you. Lean weary one upon His breast, God will take care of you. Oh, God will take care of you through every day or all the way. He will take care of you. God will take care of you. Be not dismayed, whatever